how to open Terabox video link without installing Terabox application on your device. So in order to do that, first you need to go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. From here you need to search Terabox link down lower, right? Search and then downloader. Okay, then you will have these results. So from here you are going to visit the first link, official Terabox website. Press here and you will find this box. All right, so you just need to paste the link here and then you can download the video. You don't have to install the application, you just paste the link here and download the video and you are good to go. So yeah, in this way you don't have to install the application. So this is how you do it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.